Yo guys, Bobby Movies is finally back. Today I'm going to show you all how to download it. As you can see, I'm on my iPhone device and I was able to get it. This is working for all devices, so it doesn't matter if you have an Android or iOS device. With Bobby Movies, aka Koda Movies, you're going to be able to watch unlimited free movies and TV shows, all in HD quality, no ads. But basically guys, the reason I'm making this video and the reason I have to make this video is because there is a big problem going on right now. In the past couple weeks, all these movie apps are getting shut down. For example, Koda Movies, the website just got shut down. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can still access the app on your mobile device or tablet, whatever you're on. What you're going to want to do is go into your browser and go to the website tweak.vip. So go ahead and type that in, oops, I'm struggling right now. Tweak.vip, guys. So this is what the site looks like typed up. Go ahead and type that up. Tweak.vip, and then we're going to go to it and I'm going to show you guys what to do in order to download your Bobby Movies, aka Koda Movies. So once you guys are on the site, you're going to see this, a bunch of movie apps you can go ahead and install. So as you can see, Koda Movies is at the top, but if you want Bobby Movies, which is essentially got rebranded to Koda Movies, just click one of them. I'm going to go ahead and do Bobby Movies as an example. So click injecting app. So when you click inject, it's just doing this real quick. Let it do its thing. Alright, everything is almost finished. Alright, perfect. So once you guys have done that, and that has loaded up, the Bobby Movie app injection is going to load up onto another page. So as you can see, here's what it looks like. To download Bobby Movies, please complete the injection by following and completing the instructions of two offers below, two apps. So yeah, you just got to do this real quick. Two of them, you have to do two. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an example. So when you click on one, it actually tells you the instructions so you can't get confused at all. It's really easy. So right here it says download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and click get started. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this app. I already have it installed, by the way, because I have done this before, and I did get Bobby Movies already. But yeah guys, so right now I'm just running the app exactly as it told me to do. Give it another 5 seconds or so. Alright guys, perfect. So once you've done your first app, you go back like how I just did right here and you choose a second one. So click on the second one and you're going to see it's going to tell you instructions again. So when you click on one, read the instructions and follow that. And then once you've done that, your Bobby Movies, aka Koda Movies, will download onto your phone. That's what it looks like. Koda Movies, you can go ahead and open it and start watching your free movies and TV shows. But if for some reason you don't get the download, guys, just go back here, try some more apps, and it should work, guys. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you need any help. Like the video, subscribe, and then comment down below if you need any help or if it worked for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.